Hello.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Exercise Examples at Home. Today we're going to talk about spinal waves and how to get a strong spine. We're going to learn our spinal wave through kinetic feedback. You're going to begin by touching one body part against the wall at a time. The nose to chin, chest, belly, pelvis, then back to the nose, chin, chest, belly, and pelvis. Again, the key is to have only one body part touching at a time. Over time, as you become more comfortable with this, you can actually step further away from the wall, not actually touching it. Before we go any further, this is just a reminder for you to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Back to the spinal waves. The second way that we're going to learn our spinal wave is to face away from the wall. We're going to start by pressing our butt into the wall, rolling our hips forward so that our lower back then presses into the wall. Middle back, upper back, to the back of your head. From there, you're going to repeat by bringing the butt back to the wall. It's going to be the same progression as facing the wall. Over time, as you become more comfortable, the movement will become more fluid and you will be able to perform it not using the kinetic feedback from the wall. It's exercises like this that help create pain-free movement and that will allow us to be able to use our spine in order to strengthen it. It's a low-impact exercise that anybody can do anytime, anywhere. Performing spinal waves is also a really good way to increase synovial fluid in between every single vertebrae throughout your spine. Seriously though, lubrication is key. This movement is also really good for general coordination and increasing the mind-body connection specifically to your spine. You can perform your spinal wave going front to back, side to side, and all the combinations in between. Make sure you guys check out the videos that are on the screen right now to learn more ways to incorporate exercise into your everyday life. Do it. Go click right now. This is Joey saying be kind to one another and move well. Peace.